ngizonibonga kuze kuyovala ngeke ngimscott maphumi.
Yeah. Hey, naleti face.
Handsome makasihinda kasakalanda noma yini kodwa isho njalo. I'm gonna she is the queen of Likompo.
What is up, Unilyrix? My name is Kanye Mas K Kaza K Silimbo Kaz. I have an award, multi-award winning artist.
You know the story.
How are you, Jan?
I'm good to serve muhle wena.
Yaphila. How do you feel about the award?
Fethu. I'm so excited. It is amazing. Fethu nje ngiyabonga kakhulu. I just wanted to say thank you guys for voting. Ngiyanithanda ibhadi. Ngizonibonga kuze kuyovala ngeke ngimscott maphumi.
Yeah. Hey, naleti face now. So today we're at an Likompo event. Ungasho kanjalo. Ufika kanjani la kuLikompo?
Eish guys, mina I don't want to lie. Shandesh made me love iLikompo. Angifuna ukuqamba mapha ngabona intombazane enhle. I think kwaku Studla and Slender. Yeah, something like that. Ngathi yo ngiyayithanda ke le ntombazane le. She's the one who made me love iLikompo because manje sengiyayithanda. I even go lapha kuma Likompo balcony mix. Yo guys.
Asele phela ivesi la Studla no Slender.
Handsome makasihinda kasakalanda noma yini kodwa isho njalo. I'm gonna zisha chima weyo.
Anything you'd like to say to Shandesh?
I'm so happy for her. Ngiyamthanda kakhulu, ngimfisela konke okuhle and ngifisa ukuthi ngimbone lapha ya kuma metro naye ethathi award yakhe because she is the queen of Likompo. She is the queen of Likompo.
Okay.
You all know that.
Okay.
She is.
Please give a shout out to Unilyrix.
Okay guys, ningixolele ngoba manje ngiyazi ukuthi you gonna come up with my installation. Nithi installation nalethi ngiyaxolisa ke nge-installation yami siyabheda. Shout out to Unilyrix. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu.
Thanda wena. Shout out